Hello students, you are watching online science class. We are here to present all the topics of the science from class 6 to 12. Dear students, if you really like the content of our channel, please like and subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon for notification. So dear students, today we are going to start our next topic, that is from class 8 chapter number 3 of science, synthetic fiber and plastics. This is the part 1 of this topic. Fabrics are made by weaving fibers. All of you know that we are using different type of the fabrics in our living daily life. These fibers are obtained from natural or artificial sources. They can be two types. First is the natural fiber. Natural fiber are produced by plants or animal. Example, cotton, wool, silk, etc. Synthetic fiber. So what is a synthetic fiber? Synthetic fiber are man-made fiber, are textile fiber made by the human being using natural material or petrochemical. We will learn about the petrochemical. These are the byproduct of the refineries in later on. Some example of synthetic fibers are rayon, nylon, polyester, etc. What are the synthetic fibers? Synthetic fiber as well as plastics is made up of chain of small units. These are called monomers, which combine to form polymer. Monomer. Monomer is a single molecule that can be bond with other identical molecule to form polymer through a process called polymerization. Polymers. Polymer is a Greek word in which poly means many and mer means unit. Hence, polymer are large molecules made up of several molecules linked together. Okay, this is the polymerization. If we want to see, we can see with the help of example. These are the beads of any type of the strings in which the small molecules are known as monomer. These molecules combine with each other and the whole structure, which are a combination of the small monomer, are known as polymer. Example of polymer. All synthetic fiber such as rayon and nylon are polymer. Polymer are also found in nature. Cotton is a polymer called cellulose. Cellulose is made up of number of large units called glucose. So these cellulose are monomer. Some structure of the polymers can be explained in four ways. First is the linear polymer. So what is the linear polymer? In linear polymer, all the monomers are combined with each other in linear way. You can see with the help of this example, these are the monomer which are combined with each other to form linear polymer. Branched polymer. In branched polymer, on the chain of the linear polymers, we can see these branches of the monomers are combined. So these are known as the branch polymer. Next is the cross-linked polymer. This is very important, in which different linear polymers are combined with each other with the help of the branch. So this is the branch polymer. Next is the network polymerization. Just see, in network polymerization, there is no linear branch of the polymers. They are a branch structure and they are randomly combined with each other. So this is the example of network polymers. So there are different ways of polymerization of the monomers. We can differentiate them in 4 categories, that is linear polymer, branched polymer, cross-linked polymer, and network polymers. Polymerization reaction, the process of linking small monomers to form polymers, is called polymerization. We can understand with the help of cellulose molecules. Just see, these are the some small molecules of the cellulose, which are linearly arranged, and they will form cellulose molecules. The cotton fiber is a mostly cellulose, and cellulose is made of chain of the sugar glucose linked together a certain way. So this is the example of the natural polymerization of the glucose molecules, in which they are combined with each other to form polymers. Type of synthetic fiber. There are some examples of synthetic fiber: rayon, nylon, polyester, and acrylic. We will understand in brief one by one. Rayon is also known as the artificial silk. It is made up of wood pulp that is a naturally occurring cellulose, absorb moisture, and comfortable to wear. Nylon. Nylon is the first synthetic made entirely from chemical, made up of coal, petroleum, oil, air, and water. Property of nylon: strong, elastic, wrinkle resistance, absorb very little water, and easy to wash. Then polyester, made from monomer called ester, manufactured from petroleum products, extremely strong, chemical resistance, wrinkle resistance, very durable, does not absorb water easily, and quick to dry. Next is the acrylic. Acrylic, lightweight, soft, and warm like a wool. Wrinkle resistance, does not shrink, cheaper than wool, can be dyed easily in variety of color. So these are the brief introduction of some synthetic fibers. We will learn in detail about them in our next topic. Synthetic fiber and plastics. Synthetic fiber and plastics are similar to natural fiber and made up of very large units. The large units are called polymer. These are made up of combining many similar or dissimilar units. The small units are called monomer. We have understood about the monomer. What are the monomers and polymers? Natural fibers are obtained from plant and animal sources. Synthetic fibers are obtained by chemical processing of petrochemical. The synthetic fiber can be woven into fabric just like the natural fiber. Synthetic fiber have a wide range of uses. ranging from many household articles like roofs, bucket, furniture, container, etc. to highly specialized use in aircraft, ships, spacecraft, healthcare, and etc. All of you have seen the use of synthetic fiber today in our houses or school or in factory. Everywhere we can see large type of the synthetic fiber we are using in different way. Depending upon the type of chemical used for the manufacture, some synthetic fiber are rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. First of all, rayon. Rayon is a versatile fiber and can be imitated the feel and texture of silk, wool or cotton and linen with the drape or slippery-ness to nylon. Cotton is a natural fabric, whereas rayon is a semi-synthetic one. What is the difference? Cotton is pure natural fiber. It is obtained with the help of cotton balls. But rayon is made up with the help of wood pulp. So rayon is a semi-synthetic fiber, but cotton is a pure natural fiber. Rayon is also known as the artificial silk. It is man-made fiber obtained from natural sources called wood pulp. Very important. It is obtained from the natural sources, but by the chemical treatment of the natural source, we can obtain rayon. That's why it is known as semi-synthetic fiber, because with the help of wood pulp and chemicals, we can form the rayon fiber. It can be dyed in wide variety of color. Rayon is mixed with cotton to make bed sheet or mixed with wool to make carpet. Next is the nylon. It is the first fully synthetic fiber. It was prepared from coal, water and air. Uses of rayon. Rayon is a versatile fiber and can be imitated the feel and texture of silk, wool, cotton and linen with the drape of slippeliness akin to nylon, while rayon is called artificial silk. Rayon resembles like in appearance, texture and size, hence it is also known as the artificial silk. If we will touch the rayon, it feels its texture is similar to the natural silk, but it is not a natural silk. It is also known as the artificial silk. Silk was discovered in China and made from the silkworm. It has beautiful texture and was very costly. By the end of the 19th century, scientists managed to make artificial silk-like fiber made by treating wood pulp chemically. So this is also known as the China silk, which is very cheap in comparison to natural silk, which is obtained from the silkworm. We have learned about detailed formation of the silk from silkworm in our previous class of the class 7. Uses of rayons. This man-made fiber use natural material, wood pulp, and can be woven like a silk fiber. I have told you earlier, this is resemble like a natural silk, but it is not natural silk. That's why it is very cheaper. It is cheaper than silk and can be dyed in variety of color. It can be make apparels like suit, slacks, jackets, etc. Make automobile tire cord, because of its strength, mixed with cotton to make bed sheet and bedspread, mixed with wool to make carpet and blanket, used to make other home furnishing such as curtain and tablecloth. Nylon. Nylon is the first fully synthetic fiber. It is very important. Rayon is not a first fully synthetic fiber. It is to be prepared without using any natural raw material produced by the plant or animal, which property make nylon suitable for making ropes used for rock climbing. Strong fiber, lightweight, weather resistant. It is a property by which it is used for making the ropes, making fishing net due to the property of strong, elastic and water resistant, making tent due to its property of strong, light, does not absorb much water and dries quickly. So these are the property of the nylon, due to which it can be used in different way in our daily life. Use of nylon. It developed in 1931. This thermoplastic silky material is strong, elastic, light, luster and easy to wash. A nylon thread is in fact stronger than steel wire. Hence it is used to make cloth including socks, make parachute as well as rope for climbing, rock climbing, make ropes, toothbrush and car seat belt, make tents, curtain and sleeping bags. Thanks for watching. Dear students, please like and subscribe our channel to get the information of the latest video and all information related with different topics.